How to fix a Snapchat account has been locked for violating community guidelines. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Snapchat account has been locked for violating community guidelines. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to simply launch a Snapchat app and try logging into your account. Then you should see a message indicating your account is locked and you have to tap Appeal Decision if that option is available. If not, you need to head towards any browser and you need to search for a Snapchat appeal page. And then you need to simply tap on the first link of Snapchat suppose, which is of unlocking your Snapchat account. And then you have to simply choose or jump to a section and then you need to provide necessary information and explain why you believe your account should be unlocked. So, if your appeal is successful, the Snapchat will notify you via email or in the app, and your account will be reinstated. If the appeal is denied, you may need to wait and try again later or create a new account with different credentials. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.